Good morning, children. Shiv Prabhat. I am P.L. Mishra. On behalf of Education for You, is going to discuss about speech, that is also narration, and main topic on part 7, that is unchanged reported speech. Unchanged reported speech, where we found unchanged reported speech, that is only relating to your past perfect continuous, universal truth and habits. Today we will discuss where we found past perfect, where we found past perfect continuous and universal truth and habits in reported speech. In case of direct speech, there will be no any effect. Let's come here how it is happening here. Direct speech, X said to Y. Direct speech, X said to Y, I had done this work. Indirect speech, X told Y that he had done that work. What you felt here? In case of direct speech, in reported speech, in case of a direct speech and in reported speech, I had done this work means past perfect. You recall past perfect? I had written a letter, fisherman had caught fishes, had, then past participle verb. Here same thing, I had done this work. But whenever we are going to change this one into indirect space, it is transitive sentence. X said to Y, that's why X told Y that he had done that word. Here was this, only a little bit change, that is that word. But the sequence of the tense has remained here unchanged. We found reported speech in direct speech, perfect, I had done. Same thing also indirect speech had done. Here no change. Let's come here second one. Direct speech, X said to Y, I had been doing this work. Indirect speech, X told Y that he had been doing that work. What effect you feel here? Here is no any reaction, no effect. That means it is in direct speech. Reported speech is in first perfect continuous. I had been doing, he had been making, fisherman had been catching. That is, you recall your mind, past perfect continuous. It was X said to Y, I had been doing this work. I had been, that is past perfect. And it same thing descended here in case of indirect speech. X told Y that we had been doing, it was this word, it will be that word. That means X told Y that we had been doing that word. That means we felt here, if you found any reported speech in or past perfect and past perfect continuous, whenever we are going to convert it into indirect speech, there will be no any effect. The sequence of the tense will remain unchanged and it will descend itself without any effect. Let's come here. Next one. X said to Y, the earth moves round the sun. X said to Y, the earth moves round the sun. In case of indirect speech, X told Y that the earth moves round the sun. Why it happens so? Same thing. the earth moves around the sun in reported space, in indirect space, that is, in indirect space, it will be the same. The earth moves around the sun. It is universal truth. It is eternal truth. Everybody knows. Everybody knows about earth. Earth moves around the sun. We all have to admit this one because it is universal truth. It is eternal truth. That is why X said to Y, the earth moves around the sun in indirect space. X told Y that the earth moves around the sun. Next you come here, direct space. X said Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. X said Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. It is intransitive. In indirect space, X said that Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. World admit it. Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. But not we admit it. All the people in the world, they also admit it because Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath. It is universal truth. It is eternal truth. That's why we have to admit it, and here will be no any change whenever we are going to change this one into indirect space. The reported space will remain unchanged. Whenever we will get universal or eternal truth in the sentence. Next come here. X said, every day my father goes for morning walk. In indirect space, X said that his father goes morning walk every day. It is habit. I have told you universal truth and habit we found in the sentence that will in reported space. Whenever we are going to convert into indirect space, it will remain unchanged because this sentence we found in this sentence the habit of my father. Every day my father goes for morning walk. It is his habit. It is the habit of my father. That's why there will be no any change. Let's come here. X said to Y, the Indians are rice eater. In indirect space, X told Y that the Indians are rice eater. Isn't it? We all fond of rice. We are all Indian. We are fond of rice. That is why India, it is true. It is universal truth. It is natural phenomena. We all have to admit this one because we are the Indian. It is our habit. It is here habit expressed because X said to Y, the Indians are rice eater. In indirect space, X told Y that the Indians are rice eater. The next one, let's come here. X said to Y, when the cat is away, the mice play. In indirect space, X told Y that when the cat is away, the mice play. It is right. Having seen it is natural. That is natural phenomena. It is a universal truth. Having seen the cat, the mice run away. Having seen the snake, the frog run away. That means it is the natural phenomena, and it is the universal truth. We all have to admit this one. And that means here will be no any change. If we convert this one into indirect space, the reported space will remain unchanged. That means X said to Y, when the cat is away, the mice play. In case of indirect space, X told Y that when the cat is away, the mice play. That means what I taught you today completely based on your past perfect continuous, universal truth and habit. That means we found all these type of sequence in the sentence. Whenever we are going to change this one into indirect space, that will remain unchanged. That you have to keep in your mind. Past perfect continuous, universal truth and habits. This is all about my teaching. I hope and expect from you, all my loving children, at any rate, you all will have to collect all these formula yourself. I have given you 4 formulas, and this is also another formula. It is the exception. It violates the formula, but it will take it into account. You have to take in your mind 5 formula, and tomorrow to onwards I will go ahead, and I hope from you, you should have to ready yourself. This is all about my teaching. I hope if anybody likes my teaching, they do subscribe and share this lesson towards their friends and relatives. Thanks.